guys, get ready with me to a wedding reception. So today I have a green and champagne gold reception to attend, and this is me unveiling my beautiful dress. Like, this dress is so beautiful that in fact, you will confirm it now. Just keep watching, you will see the beauty of this my lovely dress. This is me unzipping my dress in a way that will give God glory. You understand? And this is me wearing my champagne neck, my beautiful champagne neck, and complementing it with my Calvin Klein wristwatch. Then after which I try to style up this dress with my brush. Then I combine this look with my champagne sandals. Because baby girl have to smell nice. Baby girl have to smell so sweet. So this is me sprinkling my distance. Spring. Oh God, I'm already feeling myself. Come on, I'm already feeling myself. So guys, this is almost the final look. You haven't seen anything yet. Just relax and enjoy this beautiful lady in green. I have to complement this look with my beautiful black purse, and oh Lord and my Father, you haven't seen anything yet. Look at how Daughter of Zion is glowing in full glory. Oh Jesus is Lord. Can you feel my drip? Are you feeling this drip? Are you feeling it? Oh, glory be to God. So I now have to complement it further with my sunshade. And look at baby girl looking so scrumptiously. Oh Lord and my Father. In fact, kind of beauty is this type that can make anybody speechless. In fact, I am speechless. I wonder why I'm still talking. Just look at me stepping out in my full drip, going to attend that reception to actually know what is going on out there. You can't beat this. You can't beat this. You can't. Voila. Look at this hot chocolate walking down. Oh Lord. Guys, what do you think about my outfit? Like me, I'm giving myself a 10 over 10. What do you think you can give me? I think you should give me 100 over 10 because I killed it. Like, I ate this look, and this look is giving, like, it's giving everything givable. Come on, just look at me looking so simple and classy. You know guys, I always love to keep it classy and simple. So this is me. This is the final look. Guys, what do you think? Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. I love you guys. I love you. Love you. So guys, I wish you guys happy Christmas and a prosperous new year in advance. Keep being beautiful. Hang in there. I love you. Take care. Bye.